Well, hello there everyone, David, your friendly hairy Scotsman here once again, doing another wee review of something that I found. Now, being honest with you, I could not tell you where I found this. I just can't remember. It's an old age thing. I did something from this company a while ago, and I found another one. It's from Wat Kitchen. Chicken in chili and Thai basil sauce with noodles. It's low fat, serves one, and it's got a 3 chili rating. So this could get quite interesting. There's the wee chili rating thing at the top. There's what it is. Looks quite interesting. Wat Kitchen meals are manufactured using fresh ingredients and foil sealed for best results. It's made in Thailand. There's the wee thing there for Thailand. Ready to eat cooked noodles with chicken and chili in a Thai basil sauce at home or on the go. Simply warm in a microwave for 2.5 minutes. How to prepare your noodles. Empty the contents of the noodles and sauce pouches in the box and close the lid. Microwave 800 watt for approximately 2.5 minutes. Mix thoroughly and enjoy. Caution, box and contents hot. Do not place foil pouch in the microwave. Best before date, see the bottom. Oh, it's well in date, 15th of January 2025, so it's got almost a year. I'll let you have a look under there. That's the ingredients. That's the bump. That's the other stuff. And that's that. Now, I hope you can see this alright, because it's actually coming out reversed on my screen here, but hey, who knows. So it's Crown Foods. It's a wee sticker, a wee tapey thing on the top there, so let's try and work out how to get into this. Lucky I brought a knife with me today. I know a lot of you will be saying that's not a knife. It's a wee knife. It'll do the job for me. So the sticky bit off there, that unfolds like this. And we've got a foil pouch of very thick noodles, and an empty box. So, ooh, it's got a wee tear thing on it. So we pour that into there. Right. I'm going to break it up a wee bit first. Chopsticks. Okay, so it just came out in one lump. Just try to break them up a bit. It's just gets in the sealed packet there for a while. That's looking better. Well, a little bit. Alright, let's see now. We've got a pouch here, so there's a tear strip on it, a tear thing on it as well, but there's sauce up there, so push the sauce down a bit, because I don't want it all spilling out and going everywhere. That peel's not too bad, and I'll try and squeeze it out. Ooh, that looks really nice. There's but I'll let you see it in a second. That was close. It smells really fresh. Right, so that's all out of there. Fold all that up, stick it in there so it doesn't go everywhere. Get a wee sugar. That's what it's looking like in there at the moment. I do it that way. I'll give me a choice thumbnails. So if I fold this up like this again, and then I go through to the kitchen, bung it in the microwave for 2.5 minutes, and I'll pop back again. See you in a little bit. Well, that's me back again. That's been about 2.5–3 minutes. I'll just let it sit for a couple of seconds because it is absolutely scorching. Oh, there's a wee cat sitting out there. Huh. It's gone for a wander. So, this is the bit that I go, if you're enjoying what I do and you haven't already subscribed, go on, hit the button, hit the bell, hit the like button as well if you like what I'm doing, and leave me a wee message. I'll get back to you. It really does help the channel when you sub and when you hit the like button and all that sort of thing. And I feel I'm starting to grow a bit better as well now. So, apparently, there's no added MSG and preservatives. Foil sealed for the best taste, made from authentic ingredients. It smells really good. So, pop that open. Like this. Ow. That's what it's looking like in the box. It's all kind of gone together there, but it looks, I'm going to give it a quick stir around, make sure it all gets incorporated. It doesn't look like there's a lot in the box, but from what I remember, this was actually really quite filling. And it smells amazing. It really does smell good. Okay, it's very slippery. I'm trying to get a grip of this and it's not wanting to. I think this is the stuff where you should actually cut it up. You might actually get a grip of it. There, I've got some. Way! So you can see the steam coming off the box. It is red hot. Let's give it a wee try, shall we? That's interesting. It's quite a sweet taste. I can feel a little bit of heat off it, but not 3 chili rating. I have no idea what that was, but it was really nice. That looks like it could be a bit of chicken. It's the brown chicken meat, which is, I actually prefer that to the white. Oh, I can start to feel a wee bit of heat coming onto my tongue, but it's not deadly heat. This is quite nice. As I changed to like a pot noodle and all that, the fresh noodles really, I've still got a bit of chew about them. They're really nice. I mean, I'm used to sort of the dried noodles, the ramen type noodles and all that sort of thing. But these are good. And I couldn't tell, I've got no idea what it cost me either. But I don't think they're expensive. You got little flecks of veg in there, there's green stuff, there's orange stuff. No idea what it is. Ingredients are on the bottom. I think that was a hare. Yeah, this is actually quite nice. That could be a bit of chicken as well. Something orange. Something green, it looks like spinach. No idea. That could be bamboo. I'll tell you something. If you've got access to a microwave and you're out and about, this is really good. It's a very slow burner with the heat. Honestly, really chewy noodles. They're good. This is really nice. Honestly, it's great noodles. They are fantastic. The veg in them are really nice. You can feel the warmth slowly starting to build on you, but it's not hot by any stretch. I'd say it was lucky to be a one chili rating. Try a bit of each of the veg there. I'm sure that's bamboo. And it's still got a bit of crunch to it. That's tasty. You can tell it's all fresh ingredients that are in it. Not dehydrated or anything like that. That is really nice. I wasn't too sure when it said it was all chilies and everything like that. Thai basil. That could be Thai basil and not spinach. Whatever it is, it's lovely. I wonder if I put my glasses on top of my glasses, means I'll be able to get closer. Cooked noodles, blah blah. Sweet chili, no, chili Thai noodle, Thai basil sauce. It is bamboo shoots, onion, chicken, carrot, soy sauce, soybean, holy basil leaves, oyster extract, garlic. You can taste the garlic, and there's paprika in it as well. Yeah, this is tasty. I'm really impressed. I love bamboo. Well, if I see this again, I'll definitely be grabbing some. So far, everything I've had from, well, this is my second thing from Wat Kitchen. And I'm impressed with it. It is really tasty. I'm going to go and try and find where I got this. It might actually have been B&M's. They do a lot of things like this. They do a lot of the Nong Shim stuff as well, which is really good. Everything I've had there is really good. Very tasty. Right, so on that note, I'm going to disappear. I'll go and finish this off. I've got another few videos to film. I'm just looking at the pile of stuff here. Yeah, I think I'm going to be busy today. So, take care of yourselves, everyone. Hope you are all staying safe out there, because it is really quite cold just now. I think last night was about -6 or something here. I've still got a heavy frost out there. So yeah, take care of yourselves, and hopefully I will speak to you all again very soon. See ya!